Go with the sound of the horn.
Quiet.
Let it sort out, guys, before we smash them in the first turn.
Take it easy on the spun cars, guys. Long race, 15 minutes. Looks like the big man, race director, sneaked out a first place start on the first lap.
All right.
I didn't mean to make that car that good. Got a good start on everybody except the rear well.
Starting to come up on the back markers now. Whoa, change for the lead going down the back straightaway. They just freight trained Dave.
Running order right now: Chris, Eduardo, Dave, Jeff, Mark, Jack, Bill, Carlos, and Martin. Rule did not start. We are 1 minute and 50 seconds into this 15-minute race. And I don't see that orange machine out there. Must have mechanical problems.
Guys, remember, as the faster cars come on, you give them a little racing room. Push it over that way. Just give them some room. They'll come on by. The lead pack.
Eduardo evidently having some mechanical problems.
Fight it out for a position, you might end up at the back of the pack.
We are now at 6 minutes down. Chris Revere, Jeff Rushing, second, Dave Harris. Getting close to pit stops, less than a minute. We're sitting at 9 minutes and 20 right now.
$9.45 down, 5:15 to go. Time for the last fuel stops. And down I go like a blonde on prom night. Ten minutes down, 5 to go. Last fuel stop's coming. It's Chris, Jeff, Mark Nagy, Jack Anderson, myself, Carlos, Martin, Eduardo, and Bill.
He goes, you don't like it, do you? No, they're fine. Grab the car and that's it.
Okay, 2 minutes to go. It's Chris, Jeff, Mark, Nagy, Jack Anderson. Martin Johnson now takes over for me in 5th. And then I drop down to 6th, Carlos, Eduardo, and Bill Graham. And we did not get a start on Rule Ellis. Minute 30 to go. Chris has still got just that 1 lap lead. One little mistake. You just got to stay clean. .1/8 scale B main. You're up next. One minute to go. 1 minute to go. $20 seconds. The race is over. Please finish the lap you're on. Chris, you're done. Mark, you're done. Martin, you're done. Jack, you're done. Looking for Mr. Record. Chris, I know you're bumping up. Okay, Carlos, I need you to go to chair